should try for speaking English. I think you should try for speaking. Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir is teaching us. Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir is teaching us.
Global Spoken English.
I am standing here in front of you for introduce this coaching by English song. Before moving forwards, I would like to thank my respected teacher who gave me a very fabulous opportunity to sing a song on the stage. My name is Anshika. I live in Kosi. I'm learning English and speaking from Global Spoken English. My father name is Mr. Rajkumar Verma and my mother name is Mrs. Anita Devi. So, shall I start?
Yes.
My dear friends, listen to me. My heart is saying English is a pain. My dear friends, listen to me. My heart is saying English is a pain. My dear friends, listen to me. My heart is saying, speak English. My heart is saying English is big. This is international and also national language. This is international and also national language. My heart is saying English is big. My dear, my heart is saying English is big. This coaching name is Global Spoken English. I think you should try for speaking English. I think you should try for speaking English. This district has no any coaching like this. My heart is saying speak English. My dear friends, listen to me. My heart is saying English is big. This coaching has three main branch. You can learn and take lifetime advantage. You can come and take lifetime advantage. Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir is teaching us. Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir is teaching us. My heart is saying listen to me. My heart is saying English is big. Anshika is also read in this coaching. Every day sir is teaching us new words something. Every day sir is teaching us new words something. If you want to be your strong English, if you want to be your strong English, my heart is saying English is big. My dear friends, listen to me. My heart is saying